Since 1996, Macquarie Capital has expanded its EMEA presence and employs 320 staff across 11 locations. At Macquarie Capital Principal Finance, we have seen substantial growth by connecting ideas with capital through balance sheet investments across the region. We have continued to successfully grow our book while maintaining a disciplined approach to credit selection.
Based in our London office, I lead the financial institutions practice, and we have developed a market-leading practice in insurance broking, which has followed the increasing requirements of insurance around the world as risks have increased both in size, scale and geographies. We collaborate closely with our clients and partners to provide solutions in advisory, infrastructure and energy capital, principal finance and venture capital.
I work in the infrastructure and energy capital team, focusing on investing our balance sheet across digital, social and economic infrastructure and energy transition businesses. Accessing our balance sheet helps us have a competitive advantage when developing and transforming these sort of businesses. One good example of this would be our fiber to the home platform in Spain, Onivia. Over the last 5 years, we've been developing and growing the business. In 2019, we started with covering 1 million homes and having one single operator. And now we're on our way to cover 10 million homes and connect 50 of the biggest ISPs in Spain.
We are really focused on building strong relationships and placing people at the center of our activity. We provide bespoke financing solutions tailored to individual financing needs, and we follow the businesses through their growth journey. For instance, a good example is our recent involvement in the financing of Otterbock, where we supported the Nader family in acquiring a minority stake from EQT. This is complex financing and showcases our ability to provide bespoke financing solutions tailored to individual financing needs.
What differentiates us from our competitors is that we usually start from a blank sheet of paper, asking our clients and partners, what do they need, what is the problem, how can we help? Then we sketch out the solutions and we feed in our capital. This is only possible when we put together our flexible balance sheet, our ideas, our great people, and our global expertise.
What excites me about the future of the business is there's still a huge amount of untapped potential. Sticking with insurance broking, in some countries we're really only just starting. The UK and the US markets are fairly mature, but to give an example, I've talked about a German transaction we did already. The German market in premium size is about the same size as the UK. Because we've already had a lot of consolidation, we now have 2,000 insurance brokers. In Germany, there's something between 30,000 to 40,000. So a really considerable opportunity to provide all of the services that Macquarie Capital can provide, and we just see that there's a really significant run road ahead of us for that.
New sectors, new jurisdictions, you will be tackled with new problems, you will be offering new solutions, and this combined with our growing local expertise and our strong relationships make for a very promising future.